Alright, my newest alcohol stove, which I carry in my day hike kit, also works well with my stainless steel backpacking kit. Is a very lightweight unit. Fits inside the cup just like my last one. I say the stove and stand altogether weigh just under 1 ounce, which is around 23 grams, I guess. And they work very, very well. It is a 3-setting stove. And say you've got an open air filled high pressure jetted stove, and then for medium and low settings I invented this little piece around the back, and with that you can turn down the heat definitely. But let's get a little test going here and show you what this thing can do. We'll put the pot stand there as a reference for you, give you an idea of the flame size. A little alcohol in here, and if you listen closely, you can actually hear the pressure when it burns. Doesn't take very long to get going once you get a flame going in there. But as you may be able to hear there, you can actually hear this stove running. There's so much pressure coming out of it. So it creates a really nice hot flame, and kicks up there pretty high too. Let's say she definitely works. And like my last stove, it actually does that little vortex thing. But I have no problem heating anything up with that. And for a size reference on this, say there's a standard Bic lighter. Let's see, here's your mini Bic. So as you can see, it's a very small stove. And it's easily packed away anywhere. And to utilize the medium and low setting, you flip the stove over. For medium, you just fill up this entire cavity. For low, just fill up the inner cavity. Let's see. Show you here what medium looks like. It's had a nice little burn to it. Let's see, not as quite as high as what it does with the jets. Let's say, but just a nice little burn coming off of it. And as you can see, it's that whole cavity just burning there. But if you need a medium heat for anything, works rather well. And then that brings us to the low setting. As you can see, flame's just licking the top of the pot stand there. Let's say it works well for cooking eggs and things in the little fry pan without burning anything. Let's say it burns for 5 minutes or so, I guess. Just plenty of time to fry up a little bit of bacon. Maybe you have to refill it to do eggs. But that one, it burns solely out of that center hole. And that works rather well. But all in all, a really nice stove. Works rather well. Have no problems with it so far. Very versatile, and I don't know, I like it. Lightweight, easy to carry. So let me know what you think.